Okay, hi guys. So today I'm going to talk about the features that Google Drive provide, uh, which you can synchronize your cloud drive, your folder on the internet, into your local drive, so that you can access the file without the needs of internet. Okay. So if you have a Google account, so there is a high chance that you want to use this feature. So to download and install it, you just search Google Drive for desktop, or just browse google.com. So in case you type this, you can search for download Google Drive. Okay, so in this web page, you can see everything about the Google Drive. Okay, they have individual, Steam, and enterprise. So for this video, I only talk about the individual accounts. Okay, so you scroll down until you can see this one. Okay, for individuals, and this one is for teams. Okay, so for individuals, you just click download. Okay, agree and download. So it start downloading. So just double click this and then go ahead and press yes to install it. Okay, so the installation is complete. So after that, you can see on your desktop there are several other shortcuts: the Google Docs, the Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Okay, so just leave it these three first. Okay, so once you download and install the backup and synchronize app just now, this window will pop up. So you just need to click get started, and then here you can see there are three steps. Okay, first one is you need to sign in, and then you need to decide which folder you want to synchronize into the cloud. This is for your local drive into the cloud, and then the third one is from the Google Drive into your local drive. So this one, I just go ahead and key in my username and password first. Okay, so once you log in, so another window will pop up. So this one is to choose the folders from your computer into the Google Drive backup. So just click got it. Once you click that, you can see the folder that you can choose to synchronize into the Google Drive. So if you want to synchronize your desktop, documents, or picture, you can left this tick. If you don't want it, you just untick this. So in my case, I don't want my folder to be synchronized into the Google Drive, so I untick this one. And then down here you can see the photo and video upload size. Okay, you can choose high quality or the original quality. The description is at the bottom of each of these. And then if you are interested in Google Photos, you can click this one. You can upload your photos and videos into Google Photos. Okay, so in my case, I don't want this. I want with this setting. I want to go with this setting, so I click next. So another window pop up. So this one is to synchronize the file from your Google Drive into your computer. Okay, so click on it, and then here you can see the option is to synchronize my drive to this computer. I want to download and synchronize all of my cloud files into this computer, so I just left this one tick. And then here is the folder location. Okay, this is the default folder location. The users, your name, the name of your PC, and then the Google Drive folder. If you want to change the let's say you have two drive, maybe you install your program in your SSD, it's very limited size, and your storage, your other storage is in your HDD. So you might want to change this. You just click change, and then you can choose your folder to be to store this Google Drive folder. So down here you can choose either to synchronize everything from your Google Drive or only specific folders. Okay, so in my case I want to synchronize everything. If you want to choose only a few folders, you can click this, and then you can select which folder you want to synchronize. Okay, and then I'm okay with this setting, so I just click start. Okay, so this is because I already installed Google Drive previously. However, the file got some error, so I just uninstall and reinstall back. So if you are first timer, so this window should not appear. In my case, I just click continue, and then wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so this is my previous folder. So the file from your drive will be downloaded and synchronized into your drive. Okay, so you notice here just now only three: Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides shortcuts, but now it have new folder. Okay, Google Drive folder shortcuts here, so you can just click this one into your folder. Okay, so this is a notification that the backup and synchronize is running on the background. So got it. So you can monitor your synchronization progress here. Okay, the file's been downloaded and synchronized. Okay, you are given 15 GB free, and if you exceed this, you need to pay a certain amount in order to use the excess storage that you need. Okay, so thanks. I hope this video helped you to set up your Google Drive local Google Drive folder. So thank you for watching.